morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Doesn't matter. I know he said that I'll be dancing, but I won't. Did I introduce myself? I'm Sachin. I'm pretty well known, but if you didn't, now you do. But like I said, I know you guys enjoy watching me dance, but I won't be dancing. So, ladies, keep it in your pants. Before we move on, let us have the disclaimer, please. Okay, I'll read it for you. You should have pretty good sense of humor to get my jokes. So if you don't get it, pretend to laugh to look cool. Okay? Don't laugh now. I haven't made the joke yet. You won't look cool. Um, I'm not here to dance, but I'm here to make jokes about myself in the desperate hope that you'll laugh. I hope everyone are having a good day. Could you help me open that locker when nobody's looking? Wait, what? I'm just kidding. I can help you later. I did help him. But yesterday was weird because nobody asked me for any help until I was stepping out of the bank. A old woman walks in and she asks for this weird favor. She asked me if I could check a balance. I know, weird. But being the good guy as I am, like I always say, I do help. I did help her. I did help her check a balance, and it turns out she did not have any, and it hurt her pretty bad. But suddenly, everyone are looking at me like I'm the bad guy. I was the reason she got hurt. But what did I do? She just asked me to help her check a balance, and I pushed her over. And she fell. Um, Banks are weird, people are weird, the rules are weird. Can I get water, please? Thank you. Did you know that it's legal to carry a gun into a bank? It's totally legal. I just found out this yesterday while writing a punchline for my joke, which I could not find, but I found this fact. It's not a joke, it's a fact. It's a joke only if you're planning to carry a gun, but I hope you're not. But you know what's illegal? It's illegal to carry a bunch of cables in metro. Yeah, one or two cable is fine. The cable you use to charge your phone and other things. It's illegal to carry that in metro, and I found out the other day because I carry a lot of cables in my bag. Because, like I said, I like to help people. People come and ask me, "Could I borrow your charger?" And I say, "Yes, of course. You can take it." "Can I borrow your aux cable?" "Yes, of course. I got you." But I wasn't allowed in the metro. I should have either discarded my cables or go home without boarding the metro. And I did the smart thing. I discarded my cables because I love metro. Metros are amazing because every hot chick you're gonna find in the city, you'll find in the metro. I don't know from where they come from, but they're always there. You enter the carriage and you look to your left, they're right there. But you can't approach them because the front carriages are reserved for women, for women's safety. But I don't understand this rule. Like, if all the women are in the front, how are they supposed to find good guys like me to safeguard them for life? Like, stupid rule, I guess. But sometimes I do get lucky. Sometimes everyone gets lucky, and a single girl will be in the middle carriage, and you meet her. No matter how good time you spend with her, how much you make her laugh, but as soon as the stand comes and she gets out and you follow her out, she's vanished. She's nowhere to be found. Where the fuck do they go? Where the fuck do they come from? Nobody knows. I'll get to the bottom of this. There's something going on. But like I was saying, yesterday was pretty weird. I wrote a lot of this joke yesterday while eating my sandwich. And my mom was sitting right next to me while I was writing, and she suddenly says, ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಗಮನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನೀನು? And I'm like, that's a weird way to start a conversation, but okay. This is a mic drop, by the way. I can't really drop. Management don't take it kindly. So